Alright guys, check this out. So I'm doing a review of this Earth's Own Organics dairy-free butter spread. Check this out. This was at the grocery store, plant-based. And there's the front, back. Okay, here's the ingredients. This is the most important part. So we got plant-based, organic butter, coconut, sunflower oil. Oh, they use cognac root. That's neat. That's what they use. That's basically known as shirataki, and also known as things like the miracle noodles and stuff like that. So, and as you can see, vegan, gluten-free, and yeah. Here's the nutrient panel on the back here. So we're gonna open up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so I opened it up. We're gonna do a quick taste test, and this here is a Montreal bagel, and we're gonna do a quick taste test right now. It's not bad. Let me just get another bite here. Give you. Okay, so it does have some slight aroma of butter, but it's not as pungent as real butter, and it does have that salty taste to it. It does melt, which is neat. Yeah, but it's just think of it like a mild, very mild butter aroma, but the consistency is more like coconut oil. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.